Oh my gosh. There's an Amazon truck on the highway in front of me. I'm betting there's a lot of stuff on there that I would want. Right, Tara?
Yeah.
You know, it would be a shame. A god-awful shame if a deer or a rabid raccoon came across the highway in front of this Amazon truck while I am behind it. And he slammed on his brakes and tipped over. The Amazon stuff filled the highway. You know what I would do? I would be the helpful citizen that would help clean it up. And they would let me take everything that I wanted because I was being a helpful citizen. Right? Maybe we should follow it. Just waiting for it to tip over by that rabid raccoon.
It's not going to.
It might. You don't know. You don't know the future, Tara.